What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I edit stock photo of cars and turn them into custom build. Right now is the third week of the quarantine and I hope people still keep themselves together and don't go out. We want to crush this virus, not to make it worse. So wash your hands, stay clean and keep it together, okay? So back to the topic of the day, we're gonna edit one of the most recognized cars in Malaysia, the Proton Saga. Let's get to it. The Proton Saga is not just your average car, it is the very first car in Malaysia, also known as the national car. It was such a big news at the time that someone decided to name their kid after the car, and the kid, few years later, have a family, named their first child Viva after the Proton Viva. Yes, that's right, there's two generations named after a car. The name Saga was created by a retired soldier when he was entering a competition to name the car, and Proton decided to create initials between the names, which means safety, achievement, greatness and ability, hence the Saga. The Proton Saga is a subcompact family car, and the model that I'm currently doing is the latest generation. The performance is fuel efficient 1.3 liter VVT engine powering at 94 horsepower. The designs I had in mind for the car was to create a futuristic police car. Since most of my artworks I created race cars, so I decided to do something different for a change. I designed the car to make it able to chase fast criminals or fast response type. The livery of the car I inspired from American police cruisers. I really love their black and white vibe. And that's all I have to say. If you want to see more of my artworks, you can check out more in my channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you want to follow me in social media, I leave the links in the description below. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video and I see you in the next video.
Mm-hmm.